So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I am so excited to learn to draw with you. And today, you and I are gonna draw a tractor. Whoa, I love tractors. They are big pieces of machinery that you see on a lot of farms and ranches. Yeah, they help the farmer grow a lot of crops, maybe like corn, or hay. Oh, or even maybe strawberries. Yum! All right, to draw a tractor, I'm gonna start with the color black. I'm gonna draw the big back wheel and tire. Whoa, a big tire, so then it doesn't slip and slide. Ooh, and then a small wheel and tire. Yeah, do you see that? That's a circle, a big circle, and a small circle. And then let's draw a little bit of an orange circle right in the middle. Just like that. Whoa, looks like a wheel and tire to me, right? Now let's take the color green. Whoa, here we go. Now we need to draw the cab. Let's start way up here and then arch around that wheel and tire and connect right here. Whoa! And right here, that's where the engine is. Okay, let's go like this. Whoa, come back a little. Whoa! You see this? Yeah, that's the cab. That's where the farmer sits. Whoa! And what's it missing right here? Yeah, the exhaust. Okay, let's take the color black and let's draw the exhaust pipe. There we go. Whoa! And let's do some swirls. Woo, 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 woo. Whoa! This is a really cool tractor. I love tractors. They're so fun to watch. Ooh, check this out. Let's also take the color black, and then we can do lines all the way around. Yeah, and we just added tread to the tractor. Whoa, another circle. How does that look? Whoa! Does that tractor look like it's working really hard? Whoa! Lots of hard work on a farm. And there we go. Wow, a lot of tread. Okay, let's draw the very front grille right there. Yep, need airflow into that engine. There we go. Wow. If you love tractors and love drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name if you want to keep drawing. All right, will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!